Hello and welcome to the Titus Timeout podcast. I'm Jenny Abney-Civy, and this week I'm going to talk about different types of VAV box dampers. There are two basic types of dampers you'll see in a VAV box, round and rectangular. We're often asked how they're different and which one's better. So let's draw the two real quick. So let's just draw the inlet of a single duct box inside view. The damper will go inside the inlet, there'll be a pivot point in the middle, and then you have gasketing on the end where it touches the inlet. For a rectangular, there's a couple different types. You'll have flat blades like this that pivot off of the center, and then when they're open they kind of look like this, and then as they close they angle off like this until they close completely and touch. Or you might have an opposed blade damper, so it's the same concept except for the blades go in opposite directions. So again, when they're open they look like this. As they start closing they come together in this little V shape. Round dampers typically have a lower cost and a lower leakage too. To seal the damper, you only need to make sure that any part of the damper that can allow leakage is sealed when the damper is closed. So on the round damper, that's pretty much just the perimeter of the round damper around the edges here. Now with the multi-blade rectangular dampers, there are even more edges to seal, so the potential for leakage goes up. You have to seal all these points where they'll come together and close off, as well as wherever they touch the frame of the damper on the inside as well. The OBD does provide a more linear airflow response as it opens and closes the damper. This was a big deal when pneumatic controls were popular. Now that most controls are digital, the controller just determines where the damper needs to be, regardless of how linear the damper movement in the VAV box is. So that's a look at the different types of dampers you'll find in VAV boxes. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking the time out with us.